description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something interesting. This is Holey Topokki and with noodles. So is it Rapokki? I don't know. It might be rice noodles, so would that be Ripokki? If it was, yeah, anyways. Jjajang. So this is from Nongshim Taekyung, and I don't understand completely, but that's okay. But that's okay. So you get this little funny fork. I don't know why. So my wife got some of the creamy ones, and she said that the noodle tends to be very clumpy. So I'm gonna try seeing if maybe the order that it was put in could have had something to do with that. So I'm adding the topokki. The reason it's called Holey Topokki is because it might not be the easiest thing to see. But yeah, there's little holes in the rice cakes. So you drop that in. It comes with a do not eat. And then I'm going to put this thing on top. Yeah. By the way, it's the 23rd day of April 2026. Where's the fill line? It's right there. I can see it from the outside, but from the inside, it's kind of hard to reconnoiter. Okay, do I put the goo in now? Microwave directions. Add contents to bowl, and that's one of the things it's showing us. Wow, it's already 2 o'clock. I need to get on the stick. I haven't even watched or listened to my show yet. There's a show that I enjoy and I think you ought to check out if you haven't. It's called The David Pakman Show. This guy's good. If you're not like super into like Screaming Heads politics and stuff, I'm really not. I don't like the bombastic side-eye or anything like that, or the criminal bombastic side-eye. This guy's good. Level-headed. Good kid. I like him. He's a nice guy, yeah. Okay. I see the line. All right, now a little bit more. There we go. All right. Okay, it's in there. Wow, does the fork have a logo on it? No, but what does it say? It says made in Korea. Yay. Okay. So we're gonna microwave this 4 minutes at 1,000 watts. I'm going to give it a little light swizzling. And it is to the line correctly. Okay. All right. So we're ready. We're going to do the 4 minutes at 1,000 watts. Yeah. Do you all have a preference for your wattage? Let me know in the comments. I don't know. Power level. Ping, 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 Johor. Okay. Don't explode. Oh wait, the lid. The lid is supposed to just kind of sit on top. Chimpanzini bananini. That's all I always say. Yeah. Are you keen on the Italian brain rot? That's like my kid Miles is all over the Italian brain rot. Yeah. But Giants are playing. And the last two games we beat the Dodgers. And not only that, last night we brought Shohei Ohtani's hitting streak to an end. That's hot. I like that. Can't stand that guy. It's everything personal because he's a Dodger. It's a pretty storied and holy rivalry dating back to the early days of baseball. And honestly, I haven't been a Giants fan for incredibly long. Well, I have since I got together with my wife. I used to be a Mariners fan, and then I realized they just never did anything. So I was like, okay, I'll check out the Giants. And then they won three World Series. Even year, odd year, no. Even year, yes. Odd year, no. Even year, yes. I think it was 10, 12, and 14. Was that the deal? I think that might have been it. But the year we actually got married was the first win for the Giants for a World Series since like since the whole famous the Giants win the pennant radio thing. So that's cool. Yeah. They shut down part of the sidewalk on my regular walking route, which I find to be absolutely not cool. I don't like that. So I have to go out of my way in a different direction. Don't care for that. I find that to be rude, inconsiderate, and pointless, especially since they blocked everything off. They're going to do something. I don't know what. They blocked it all off for doing something which they're not doing yet. And I don't know when they're going to do it. But they set up all the barricades, sidewalk closed signs, yada, yada, yada. Bastards. I went on a big long walk today. I think 8 or 9 miles. And the weather was perfect. T-shirt and shorts weather. Cloudy, so I can see pretty well. I'll reiterate for the bazillionth time, it's okay if you didn't know, I'm legally blind, so I wear these because bright light jacks me up. It's like, if it's not bright light, I can't see all that great. But if it is bright light, oh boy, it's not a good scene. Especially in the winter. I've noticed that, like, you know how the sky is not as deep of a blue in a winter? That sunny winter day is like my kryptonite. I'm like, I can't see jack, so what do you do? I don't know. I need to get new glasses, though. There's always been this confusion about, you're legally blind, so you can't see, right? And I'm like, no, I can see. I just can't see for shit. That's what I tell people. They're like, oh. Like, I can't see well enough to drive. I've had people say, like, well, if you're gonna be in this neck of the woods, you just drive on over. It's like, you don't want that. You don't want that. Oh, I think. Whoa. Oh, that's hot. All right, now let's see if this thing ended up being clumpy. Clumpy stern. Let's see. It's definitely hot. Yeah, that's the trick. So if you're making this one, put the noodles on the very top, and then it'll work out. I think if you put them on the bottom, maybe that was the issue that was at hand. Okay. Man, that's a dirty looking bowl. I still have to scan it too. All right, so here is our noodle. I'm gonna go with this as mung bean thread. I could totally be wrong, but it's like a glass noodle. I've seen this before, so this might be either mung or sweet potato. So that could be swapaki or mubaki. I don't know. There's our holiness. Separate those. That's something you might want to look out for too. It's making sure they're separate. So this shouldn't be like hard. This should be like soft, chewy, almost mozzarella-like. It's very beefy, surprisingly enough, since Jjajang is supposed to be a black bean sauce, but it's got a little bit of heat. Generally something I really dislike with Jjajang, but in this case, it works very well, which is a shocker, but I'm down with that. Yeah, this one's good. I'm enthused. Are we dusty? Yeah, hold on. Let me clean out this. Ooh. If you're wondering, this bowl is from Singapore, but it kind of looks like a Korean dulcet, which is those black bowls that you'll often see. But this one came, I think, from a promo for Nissan Singapore cup noodles? I could be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. Look at that, that's nice. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this out real good, because I gotta put it on my scanner. Means, I know you're probably like, why do you have to scan it? Why? Like, well, there's a website too. It's theramenrator.com. That's where most of my time is spent doing stuff. Doing these YouTubes, that's like easy. I just make intros and outros and slap them on either end of what we're doing right here. So you should check out theramenrator.com. It's good for you. You'll live longer. Have a little bit of pep in your step. A little bit of scallion. I know, I'm a scallion head. Scallion. Sesame. I need to make more chashu really bad. Oh, we'll do that. I'm also going to add some pinchy beef. There's your pinchy beef. Then I'll put a little bit of crushed red pepper in the vicinity of the pinchy beef. Yeah, I think we're good. This is good stuff. I'm impressed. Way to go, Nongshim Taekyung. I don't know if this is just, they call it that because of the factory is in a different area, or it's an offshoot of something else. But yeah, it's sold in the States. I don't know. It's definitely not from Rancho Cucamonga, where Nongshim USA is. Anyways, watch it rotate. And there'll be another one coming up tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoy with your noodles each and every day. And yeah, go check out theramenrator.com. You'll be glad you did. You'll be happier. You'll be a good person. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You must eat that pizza. Let's do it. Must. Too starved because people come through here all day. Yeah.